Welcome back. So in the previous video, we looked at how to plot and visualize a stress strain data. And now in today's video, we'll look at how can we calculate the Young's modulus from a stress strain plot. Now here's where things get interesting. If you look at the actual realistic tensile data, you don't have a nice linear region at the beginning of the curve starting from 0, 0. In reality, you might have some noise in the data. You might not have a perfect 0, 0 start, and you might not even have a linear curve at the beginning of the stress strain plot. Now this could be due to many reasons, including say machine compliance and other experimental factors. So if you remember in the previous video, I had a nice looking stress strain data starting from 0, 0 with a linear initial portion of the curve. However, it won't be useful to use that to demonstrate how we can calculate the Young's modulus in different ways. So what I'll do is I'll use a slightly more realistic looking data for this video. Now the goal is simple. What we want to do is we want to calculate the slope of the initial elastic region or linear region of a stress strain curve. Now the first method that we'll use is the 2-point method. Now this is the simplest one. What we do is we manually select 2 points on the stress strain plot and we just use those 2 points to calculate the slope of the curve. Now this is obviously a simple approach, but it's prone to human bias and it's also just based on 2 data points. Now the second one is the linear regression method, and this is closer to what standards recommend. Now in this method, instead of using just the 2 data points, we use linear regression to fit a best fit linear line in that linear elastic region of the curve, and the slope of the line will give you the Young's modulus. But this method still is dependent on the way we select the starting and end point of that linear region. So the third and the most robust approach is to automatically detect the linear region of the stress strain curve and then use the linear regression method to find the slope of the curve and hence the Young's modulus. So now you have the understanding and the Python codes required to determine the Young's modulus from a stress strain data in 3 different ways. And here's how the values compare for our particular case. So I'll let you be the judge of which method is the best. If you do have any questions about the Young's modulus or how we are calculating it or how to modify the code in any way, do let me know through comments. And for the next video, we'll continue along with calculating the yield strength. So that's it for this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one.